But no, I don't know this was my intro. What next is going to? We drunk between. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go.
Like you. Now I done been with different kind of girls, but like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all. Like you. And I done seen the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all. Like you. And you know how I feel when I chill, if I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just like you. And maybe that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out it. I was the kind of guy that tried to dog you out, but I ain't the kind of guy you try to make you out. And you found out when you turned to my baby, I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping on acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and especially way I feel when you're with me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it, 'cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come around, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, and whenever I'm doing a show, that I'm your main chick, who got the game chick, one and the same chick, the one you can hang with. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and especially way I feel when you're with me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it, 'cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Get the mall pop tags, been a few G's in, hit the runway, doing no season. It ain't nothing, it's more than what I care for. Feel like I ain't doing enough, that's when I share more. I give you this, give you that, what you need, love. You know I got it, holla at me if you need love. And affection, 'cause I be your protection. Kinda hard job, but I do it to perfection. And you can tell that I ain't tryna let you go. I get with you when I can, so that's how I let you know. And you be tripping, 'cause sometimes I gotta go. But you the first one I holler to, right after my show. And I was tripping in a sense, I was tense, but my body moves around you, but I'ma do it out. I gotta get it together, say whatever. But since I met you, my life seems so better.
Look, y'all, happy Halloween!
Don't love me no more.
Happy Halloween!
I don't wanna put my static, come on, babe. I wanna have it, I just wanna see her. I give her hell, she be screaming for ill. I be feeling deal, pink hat, pink nails. Let my, I'm gonna.
Rotation. I don't complain, I just pay for the can. I know that's right. Where the pink tequila? Where is the pink tequila? Where is the pink tequila?
That bitch is a liar. Ain't no pink tequila.
I'm doing what I want. Line up. Line up. Line up. You line up. Line it up right now. Line it up. Line it up. Line it down. Get in the field. Line it up. Oh! No! Are you there? I'll put it down. Put it down. I'll put it on. Put it down.
They went road. This is channel 20 and that's the end 102. You know what he gonna do, but my name ain't Brunner too. Be clear, I'm song for song. He is too. When you on, get down. When you down. When you on. You gotta say that. You gotta say that in this area.
It's so much stuff going on here. This is so pretty, y'all. Woody! Woody!
a big dick.
Oh.
I know that dude.
Oh, shit. What's that? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, my God, yeah. Love that dress. Yeah. Beautiful, queen. You are so beautiful. Oh, my God. She did 4K 60. By the way, I don't know if this supposed to be my intro or what. That shit's something. What are you? Back up. Okay, let me chill. Hold on, I'm trying to sober up real quick. Hold on. One of a kind. Make that fat ass, mom. Make that shit. I hope they can spit me out. All of my niggas on hammer time. Rolling that bitch with Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all. Walk on me like. Don't walk on me like that. Like what?
Like
yeah,
that.
like what? What? Like yeah.
Girl, play somebody by Lotto. Play somebody by Lotto. Hey Siri, play somebody by Lotto.
I'm very, very impressed.
Why are you doing that, bitch?
Happy Halloween!
Oh.
Let me stop behind this window. Hold on.
What you in the mood for?
What you in the mood for? Belle. I really need somebody. Belle.
Damn. Just like Messi, we keep it alive.
I'm trying my hardest not to vlog. This is crazy. Happy Halloween. I really need somebody. I really need some. Happy Halloween, y'all. Oh, Leo. Hey, get out that dog. Acting fully, yo. I called your mother. That's how you do me, ho.
Hey.
Fuck when I come shoot at that studio. Nigga. That's how you do me, though.
I better get the fuck out the way, bitch.
I feel like we've been circling for like 30 minutes now. So, happy Halloween, y'all. Yay! Y'all want to see this? Happy Halloween, y'all. Everybody is so beautiful tonight. I love Halloween. Yes. Been my favorite sport.
Huh? 30. Y'all say cash that? Girl, I know, wow. There's a lot of bitches up front.
What he's doing? Because I'm about to get
Oh my
mad.
God. I know that's them, right? Yes! Happy Halloween!
Girl, don't press me in.
Bad bitch.
Happy Halloween, y'all! Yes! Happy Halloween! Brokey! Yeah. Not me, though. We should have grabbed the bottle. Happy Halloween, y'all! Happy Halloween! Hey, Tucky! Thank you! Yeah! Oh my God, I love bad bitches. Love bad bitches. Yes, happy Halloween, y'all. Happy Halloween.
It's an extreme.
You know, summer just begun. Too.
It's an extreme.
That's Wario. That's Wario.
I didn't say go.
Hey, Wario. Wait.
Hold on.
Did you drink your cut water?
I'm not even sipping on this sip.
I took mine. Take yours. We all drinking. We all drinking, boo.
I just want to get this. I need it afterwards. Pull this bitch up, Terrence.
Let me just be quiet because I feel like somebody gonna recognize me. What time is it? It's not even Halloween no more, y'all. It's November 1st. We got some more days until Christmas.
Oh, trust me, everything's done at 2 o'clock. We got a good 2 hours.
Be able to take
Everybody
this
get
back.
him a drink.
The
Driver get a
driver
drink.
get a drink.
Somebody gotta pay
that
for
don't make
parking.
sense. That don't make sense. No, we're not waiting.
You trying to see some niggas? She trying to see some bitches.
Y'all, I fear I might be on TikTok tonight. I don't know. A lot of these are being bad. Okay.
Where's my phone?
Well, I'm drunk as I did not see that car coming. I feel like I'm walking pigeon toed. don't give a by that nigga. I don't give a by that. For real. Maybe I might be a little drunk.
A little is like.
So like when we was doing the game, I was casually taking sips like it was a cup water. It wasn't a cup water though.
It was a dog. I could barely fit in that cup water. She's
my type. She's my type. Yeah, she's very pretty. Yeah, hold on. Excuse me. You're very pretty. Thank you so much. So are you? Thank you. This is Terrence.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy, girl.
Rosone. Hi. Oh my God. I think I love this little life. I think I love this little life. You're a little tall with these heels on.
I love.
A little bit.
He's an inch shorter than, probably 2 inches shorter than him. White range.
Y'all, I love these costumes so much. It don't make no sense.
I ain't get no Chipotle today. That's great.
I didn't get no Chipotle either.
So we usually get Chipotle. I didn't get no Chipotle either.
Oh yeah, they didn't. They got Portillo's. Shit. Yo, I'm just surrounded by bad bitches. Yeah, I'm not gonna remember this by tomorrow. I promise you, I'm not.
Look stupid on my damn head.
No, so who are you supposed to be right now, Shaggy? Give me that hat, then. And also, am I loud? No, I'm not that loud. For real? Cause I think I'm the loudest here.
No, you have your moments, but I mean, you also at the spot where you need to be loud.
Hot. No, you're fucking bad. You're bad. My man, my baby. Y'all, I'm drunk. Y'all, so this is October 31st.
November 1st.
Everybody pay your rent. Okay, y'all, so we drunk. It's 2 a.m. on the dot. I am heavily drunk right now. I don't know where my brother is at. Yeah, that's basically out. Somebody had. Thank you so much. Thank you. Y'all be safe, okay? I'm making like one of them drinks at King. Like, okay. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. Started drunk. It's 2:31. Started drunk. Started hungry.
Shrimp? Yeah, look like that. I got shrimp, nigga. Oh, y'all got shrimp. Okay. I got no tomatoes in mine.
My feet is starting to hurt. Happy Halloween, y'all!
Oh.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Roll her window up right now. So.
I'm putting it at. I'm putting on. You know. Happy Halloween, y'all! Yes! Yes, Dr. Seuss!
Come on.
Oh.
And you know I'm not like, Happy Halloween! Happy. Let me see. I'm trying to find the next person that's walking. Happy Halloween!
Man, take that shit off. That's my business.
Happy Halloween, y'all.
Well, fuck y'all too. Happy Halloween, y'all! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Okay, I heard her.
I got my associates, girl.
I'm not talking about you, bro.
Okay. No shade about you.
All right, roll up the windows because it's about to get hella windy.
Oh, damn, that's it. It's only 3.
It's only done for us. My homegirl gotta be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Good Halloween.
I'm drunk. Bruh. Oh my god. I gotta... It got to be. I love Halloween so much.